Hello dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about one case study based question, and this question is from chapter 14 statistics. So let's see what is the question. In question, 100-meter race is given. A stopwatch was used to find the time that it took a group of students to run 100 meter. Okay, fine. So it is time taken in seconds and this is number of students. So 0 to 20 second is taken by 8 students. Then 20 to 40 seconds is taken by 10 students. 40 to 60 seconds 13 students. And 60 to 80 seconds are taken by 6 students. And 80 to 100 seconds are taken by 3 students. So if I add these all students, then these are 40 students. Okay. So let's see what are the question on this. So first question is, estimate the mean time taken by student to finish the race. Okay, so let's see. So for finding the mean, we have to draw this table, and here time in seconds and number of students. So total number of students are here 40. So here you can write, this is Fi, so frequency. So this is sigma Fi. Sigma means summation of Fi. So frequency summation is 40 that we have calculated earlier. And now we have to find out the class marks, okay, of each class interval. These are class intervals: first class interval, second class interval, third, fourth, fifth class intervals. This is lower limit of first class interval, upper limit of first class interval. This is lower limit of second class interval and upper limit of second class interval, and so on. So class mark means mid value of the class interval. So how we will find out the class mark? First of all, we'll add both the limits. 0 plus 20 is 20, then divide by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this is class mark, how we are to find out. So 40 plus 20, 60. 60 divided by 2, that is 30. So 60 plus 40, 100. 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So we are seeing that 20 gap is coming. So next will be 70, next will be 90, like this way. So this is called xi. Class mark is called xi, or we can write here mid value also. So now in this column we will find out the fi xi, product of these two. Fi xi means product of fi and xi. Okay, so 10 8s are 80, 10 30s are 300, 50 13s are 650, 76 are 420, and 93s are 270. Now we have to add these all fi xi. So it is called summation fi xi or sigma fi xi. If we add all these, we get 720. So you can add here. So how to find out mean now? So formula for mean is sigma fi xi over sigma fi, right? So that is 1720 over 40. So if you cancel these, you will get 4 4s are 16 and 4s are 12. 43 is the right answer for this mean. So here it is 43. Next is, what will be the upper limit of the model class? So first of all, we will see that what is model class. So model class means the class interval in which there is highest frequency. So highest frequency, if you see here, that is 13. So this is model class. 40 to 60 is the model class. Okay, 40 to 60 is the model class. So upper limit of the model class is 60, right? 40 to 60 is the model class. So upper limit is 60. So next question is, the construction of cumulative frequency table is useful in determining the median. Always remember, while we are to find out median, we will first of all find out the cumulative frequency, CF. Okay, so next D part is the sum of lower limits of median class and model class. So here we have to find out the median class also and model class also. Model class we have find out now only. 40 to 60 is the model class. Now we will find out the median class also, and then we will add its lower limits. Okay, model class lower limit is 40. So let's see what is the lower limit of median class. So let's find out the median class. Now here I'll tell you how to find out median class. So First of all, find out cumulative frequency. So this is 8, first row is 8, so right here 8. Now add these two. Okay, 10 plus 8, 18. So 18 plus 13, we have to add these two, that is 31. 31 plus 6, that is 37. 37 plus 3, 40. So total is 40 only, n is 40 here, that add. So this sum should come equal to this only. Okay, so now how to find out median class? First of all, we will find out what is n over 2. Okay, so 40 over 2 is 20. So now we will check in CF where the number should be just more than 20. N by 2 is 20. So just more than 20, where it is? So it is just more than 20? No, it is no. It is just more than 20 here. So this is the median class. Okay, this is median class. 40 to 60 is the median class. And model class is also 40 to 60. So what is their lower limits? So here also 40 lower limit, and model class lower limit is also 40. So 40 plus 40, 80. So the next question's answer is 80. So this is 80 answer. So next is how many students finish the race within 1 minute? So we have to calculate the number of students, those they have finished the race before 1 minute or within 1 minute, you can say. So we can see here within 1 minute who has completed the race. These many students have completed the race within 1 minute. Okay, so these are 13 plus 10, 23, 23 plus 8, 31. So 31 students have completed the race before 1 minute. So this is 31 is the answer. So this way we will solve this you can say case study question. Thanks for watching. So dear students, in the next video we will discuss about the case study based on this red fort, and this question is taken from a basic paper of mathematics class 10 by the board CBSE. So till then, keep watching these videos. And dear students, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it so that you can get notifications for the next videos which will be coming. So thank you so much.